Good morning students. Today I am going to explain about the connectors. So till last class we all discussed about the three components of the fiber optic fiber channel SAN components. Okay, we discussed node port as well as the cabling. Okay, and then now I am going to explain about the connectors. The connectors, okay, it contains the two types of connectors. Okay, basically it is going to works on the three types of connector. Okay, out of three, okay, we are going to use for preferably for two connectors, that is a standard connectors as well as the lucent connectors in the fiber optic channel. Okay. Then a standard connectors, okay, it is going to use for the for most commonly used for the fiber optic cables, okay, and also the data transmission speed up to 1 gigabyte per second. Okay. Whereas the a lucent connector, it is also used for the data transmission speed up to 4 gigabyte per second. Okay. Here what I am going to say, the speed of the data transmission compared to standard connector, the lucent connector speed will be a more. Why? Because the standard connectors having the speed of the data transmission will be a 1 gigabyte per second, but lucent connectors having the 4 gigabyte per second to transfer the data from one source to another destination. Okay. Then what is the straight tip connectors? The straight tip connectors, okay, it is a fiber optic connectors with plug and a socket. Here I am having the diagram. Three types of connectors. See, this is what I have told. This is the connector, standard connectors as well as the lucent connectors and straight tip connectors. See, standard connectors as well as the lucent connectors, okay, both similar, okay, not for majority, okay, similarity, both are same, but the data transmission speed will be a different, okay, one another other. Okay. But straight tip connectors, it is a different types of connectors, okay, where like this we are not using for our fiber optic cables or fiber channel cables. Okay. Why? Because here the fiber optic connectors, okay, they are going to bonded with the plug and a socket, so that we cannot able to use this connectors in the fiber channels. Then the next one is interconnect devices. Okay, this is the fourth component of our fiber channel fiber channel SAN components. The commonly used for the interconnected devices, okay, such as hubs as well as the switches and directors. What is the hubs now? A hub, it is a communication device, okay, between the host as well as the destinations, or it may be a communications between the server as well as the client. Okay, and it is also implemented our fiber channel. A hubs physically connect nodes in the star topology. I am repeating, okay. A hubs, we are going to establish the connections between the nodes, okay. Physically we are going to, okay, connections between the nodes in the star in the form of star topology. Okay, in the star topology, okay, all the nodes, okay, they are fully connected with each other, okay, as well as in the mesh topology. Okay, you can use for star as well as the mesh. Okay, here all the nodes are interlinked together, okay, each other, so that hubs is very useful for making the connections between all the nodes. Okay. Here also we can send the data or transfer the data through the hub to all the nodes. Then a hub, all the nodes must share the bandwidth because the data travels through all the connections points, and the availability of the low cost and high performance switches. Okay, the hubs are not used in the SAN. I am repeating, all the nodes must be share the bandwidth, okay, because the data travel through the all the connections points. Along with that, availability of the low cost as well as the high performance switches we cannot use longer in the SAN. Okay, means the hubs, okay, we cannot use for longer in the SAN. The second method is switches, that is switches, okay, it is also one of the device, interconnecting device. Okay, it is a more efficient or it is a more intelligent device rather than the hubs. Why? Because okay, the data can be sent directly from one physical port to another port. The second point of these switches, nodes do not share the bandwidth, instead of each node has a dedicated communication path. And third point of the switches, switches are available with fixed port as well as the modular design. A modular design, what it will do means, a modular design, it is going to increase the count port by installing the additional port cards in the open slot. Then what is the directors? The directors, okay, it is the third interconnecting device method or point. Directors, a function of the directors is similar to the fiber channel switches, but directors have high port count as well as the fault tolerance capability. I am repeating, a directors, it is a function of similarity function of the our fiber channel switches, but directors have high port count and fault tolerance capability. And these directors, okay, we can implemented more data centers, okay, larger than the switches. See, these all are the three connectivities or interconnected devices, okay, we are going to use for three devices, okay, these devices, that is hubs, switches and directors. So, we will see next one, what is the SAN management. A SAN management, okay, it is also